Ever pondered over why some people seem to effortlessly sail through their financial journey while others constantly struggle to stay afloat? It's a question that leaves many puzzled. But today, we're going to delve into the financial concepts that make the difference. Understanding finance isn't rocket science. It's about mastering a few basic concepts. Let's kick off with the first one, compounding. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." So what does this mean? Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and faster. That's how compounding works. Your money grows not just from your initial investment, but also from the interest you've already earned. Over time, this growth can become astonishingly large. Moving on to the second concept, diversification. It's a fancy term for not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading investments across different types of assets, you reduce the risk of a single investment dragging down your entire portfolio. Diversification helps to balance risk and reward in your investment portfolio. Next up is inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising. While it may seem like an abstract concept, inflation has a direct impact on your purchasing power. If your income doesn't keep up with inflation, you'll find that your money buys less and less over time. Lastly, we come to the concept of financial planning. It's not just about saving or investing, but about setting financial goals and making plans to achieve them. Whether it's buying a house, funding your child's education, or planning for retirement, financial planning helps you to take control of your financial future. In summary, the key to financial success lies in understanding and applying four basic concepts: compounding, diversification, understanding inflation, and financial planning. Compounding helps your money grow over time. Diversification reduces risk in your investment portfolio. Understanding inflation ensures your income keeps up with rising prices. And financial planning helps you set and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial success isn't about making a quick buck. It's about understanding these concepts, making informed decisions, and staying committed to your financial goals. It's a journey worth embarking on, and the rewards are truly enriching. So, go ahead, take the first step towards financial literacy and secure your financial future. Because when it comes to finances, knowledge truly is power.